Hey, you know that late night craving, right? You stumble into the kitchen, half asleep, just wanting some leftovers. But what if tonight, your fridge has other plans? What if it's not just humming, but whispering secrets from a timeline that isn't yours? The light isn't a friendly yellow, it's a sickly, neon green, spilling out like a toxic fog. Inside, it's not last night's pizza, you see, but shadows of other yous, from other worlds, all reaching out. The digital display isn't showing the temperature. It's scrolling through cosmic coordinates, glitching between realities. This isn't just a fridge anymore. It's a doorway. And it just opened. What would you do? Would you dare to look inside? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more strange tales from the Cosmic Kitchen. Stay curious, and maybe check your fridge, just in case.